Hi guys, editing Ashley here. So I'm editing today's vlog and I noticed that for some reason our intro only recorded like the last 30 seconds. So that's what I'm here to do. Gonna be a really fun vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't want to give anything away, but it was a really fun Saturday. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Welcome to the channel. My name's Ashley, as I already said. If you're returning, welcome back. We're grateful you guys are all here, and I hope you enjoy the video. So here you go. I always turn on the camera halfway through your funniest sentences. What's up, guys? It's a lot later.
Well, not a lot later.
It's a few hours. Started the vlog at what, like 9? It's 2 now.
Filling and cheese. That'd be filling and cheese.
Let me just explain what he said before he says anything. So we found, and by we I mean I found this great recipe for homemade mozzarella sticks to do in the air fryer. We're gonna try it out today. However, I didn't look at the recipe first and realize that you have to freeze the cheese sticks before you do this. So Josh is getting them ready to put in the freezer right now. And while he slow claps at me, let me just look at his display. Let's see if I have something I can shame him over.
The peanuts.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Throw it to one now.
I don't know. I was hoping you were doing something goofy over here and I could shame you. But you're really just putting the cheese in the bag.
Is that code for something? No, I'm kidding.
No, it's not code.
Can you chomp to make a smile? How many peels can you get from one stick? Can you do an air chomp? Dog's welcome. I don't know what's going on. I'm reading the sticks.
You're saying chomp, but it says chomp.
I was saying chomp.
No, you were saying chomp.
I was saying chomp. Chomp. Like chomp.
It was coming out chump. Like, you're a chump. You're not a chump, I love you. But
I was saying chomp.
okay.
I thought it was anyway.
That's not what I heard, but I trust you.
We'll add that up to a glitch in the Matrix.
Oh boy. You're gonna quote that all day, aren't you?
I've always quoted it, you just never realized I've been quoting it.
Yeah, but
in your version of the Matrix. Now you know.
Yeah, but you spent half the morning on it, so.
I know.
Also, guys.
Eventually I'll watch the next 2.
Turn so I can show them your shirt.
I have one more stick of cheese.
I got Josh this shirt for Christmas. Because why not? You can never have too many Disney shirts.
You never have too many Disney shirts. I've got too many.
Are you complaining?
I don't know.
You liked them all?
I do. I'm just messing with you.
Oh, okay. Alright. Cheese sticks are in the bag. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so while those freeze, we're just gonna kind of hang out a bit. Josh is here watching his YouTube, wearing my headphones. I am watching some Theme Park Obsession on YouTube, which I'm using our new TV to watch it, which is really cool. We were actually gifted that and we're really grateful and it's awesome.
We are. Everything looks amazing in HD. Especially the Matrix. I just had to throw it out.
Enough about the Matrix.
It's a running joke for this one because I watched the first one today.
Anyways, so I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna sit here and probably write in my notebook a little more, probably read. I feel like I already told you guys this, but right now I'm reading Love and Olives by Jenna Evans Welch. I loved the other 2 books in the series and this one I'm loving so far too, so theoretically speaking, I'll finish that today. But we'll see how that goes.
And my update. I'm reading this one.
Yes.
I just want to be included.
Hi guys, so it is actually much later. If we're being totally honest, we did not spend all that time reading and writing. In fact, we spent most of it cleaning. But we did get a little writing in, as you saw in the time lapse. So now we're gonna make some mozzarella sticks, and we're kind of at the point we've been snacking all day. We're not super hungry, but we still would like food.
They're making these mozzarella sticks.
So we're gonna have those for our dinner, and we're just gonna have kind of a snacky night tonight. I did want to say really quick, this recipe is from a website called brooklynactivemama.com. They're healthy air fryer mozzarella sticks, and they are, they sound pretty good, so we'll see how they turn out. Okay, so we've got our ingredients here. First we have the cheese sticks, which are just like string cheese, which have been freezing about 3 hours. And then we got 2 eggs, about a 1/4 cup of flour, some panko breadcrumbs, some Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper, which this needs mixed up a little bit better, which I'll get to that in just a second. Or Josh will. That works too. And then we're gonna roll these, and then we'll show you guys the next step. So. Okay.
Beautiful. That was great.
So as you guys can tell, it's kind of a messy recipe. They're in the freezer for 10 minutes, and then we were supposed to use what was left of the breading stuff, but there was so little that we just got more, and I found a bigger container because I was, as you could tell, I was struggling. What I'm doing right now is preheating my air fryer. I didn't know this until I read the article with this recipe, but it always helps to preheat your air fryer. Just like run it on 5 minutes at 400 degrees. But that's a really cool trick that this article talked about, and so I've been doing that. And I did that with the recipe the other day because that recipe called for it, but I didn't think to do it with other recipes. So yeah, welcome to my weird cooking show.
Cooking at home with Ashleigh and Josh. I'm the assistant.
My name's not that good for doing cool stuff with.
Unless you spell it out, then it's really cool. It's not spelled like the typical Ashleigh. So if you spell it out, it looks really cool.
Okay.
You're the only Ashleigh with a cooking show.
I'm pretty sure that's not true.
They're gonna be yummy. Hopefully. Almost perfect timing.
Also, yes, I have been in my pajamas all day.
Yep, Ashleigh's sporting a... Come on, show it up. She's sporting her plaid bottoms and the sweatshirt she stole from me a few years back or so.
It's kind of funny, I was thinking earlier about how, I don't remember who it was, but somebody asked me if I was on a diet for the wedding, and I was like, nope. Like, it's, you know, it's our wedding. It's not, I don't want to, like, make myself sick for it. It's just, I'm okay with how I look, and it took me a very long time to get there, so I'm not going to die.
Same here. I'm not gonna die either. Especially not with her cooking.
Is that good or bad? What does that mean?
I mean it in a good way.
Okay. Okay, so they froze for about 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna re-roll them in some egg and then some breadcrumbs because some of these are kind of bare. The recipe also calls for that, but. And then I'm gonna put them back on the tray just because it makes it easier to transport it over to my air fryer. So I'm gonna spare you the time lapse from this one. You get the picture.
I can take a picture. Is that what you want?
No, it's okay.
Okay. So the marinara I got from the store is whew, light change. It was not good marinara. So Little Caesars is just right around the corner, or not? Not Little Caesars, but I can't remember off the top of my head. It's a pizza place right around the corner. Gonna go buy a thing of marinara from them. So she has some marinara. Because I'm a ranch guy with the mozzarella sticks. She loves the marinara. So it ain't gonna be homemade mozzarella sticks without each of our favorite dippings. So there's a giant train. Back to you in a second. You can't see it ahead of me, but it's Sierra Pizza. I don't know why I thought the other one. Sierra Pizza, my savior. Help me, Sierra Pizza. You're my only hope. So I couldn't just buy marinara because I didn't have any cash on me. Only had Ashleigh's card. She just got paid. We used my check to pay some other stuff, including this month's rent. Marinara was only like 54 cents, so no charges under 5. So I also bought an order of breadsticks too. Breadsticks and mozzarella sticks. Sounds like a good night. Help is on the way. And I'm back. Almost fell up the stairs. I should watch where I'm going. Ew. Well, hello.
How was it?
It was good. Well, look at the masterpiece.
They're a little mutilated.
They are.
Did you tell the story?
I did not yet. I'm saving it for you.
Well, so I didn't really grease the wire rack like I should have.
They're a little sticky to it.
Yeah. And then I had trouble. I sprayed it after the second time. Not how you're supposed to do it, but I feel like this one time it's okay.
Oh well.
They taste them though. They're pretty good.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
Never mind some extra breadsticks.
Right? Oh, like you had said a moment ago off camera. I don't know why I'm doing that, sorry. They're gonna be more like mozzarella bites.
Or globs.
Or globs.
Oh well, still yummy.
Oh yeah. So here we go. Alright, we weren't quite done with you yet. We got a taste test. Look at my range. Alright. Little low, but you go first. Your creation. Oh. Sounds crunchy.
Mmm. I like it, but I'm gonna be honest, if I didn't have a marinara, I wouldn't like it.
Same here, but with ranch.
He likes ranch with everything. Okay, we're gonna eat. We'll see you guys in the next clip.
Sad. You shall not see.
Ow.
That didn't work. Hold on. Take 2.
No. Wait, hold on. Give me the blanket.
Boop.
Hi.
Alright. So, I'm going to make a dessert. What is this recipe technically called?
S'mores bars.
S'mores bars. Yes. I don't know what else to say. Basically, I'm going to make a dough that'll act as the graham crackers. We have chocolate bars that I believe will be laid in it. I have not read the recipe over. And this will be spread in there for the marshmallows. So, we're gonna have some fun. Hopefully this dessert is not super rich like the others we have tried. Alright. It has been a short little bit. Had barely gotten this going. I've been crushing the graham crackers to make 3/4 of a cup. So hopefully, might be just a little more than 3/4 of a cup. Yeah, it's a little over, but what's wrong with that? Ashley is looking for a train.
No, I'm not looking for a train. I feel like something smells hot. But I might just smell the oven preheating.
I think you do.
And the fact that you have a plastic container sitting on the stove.
Plastic container? Oh, maybe. I mean, it's not warm.
Yeah, see, once I get over here, I don't smell it.
Oh. Must be something over here then. Alright, what's next?
Okay, so you mix in an egg and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
1 teaspoon? Perfect.
Then you mix that.
That is, oops, my bad. What's next?
Mix it into the dry ingredients.
So pour the dry ingredients into that one. All right. You doing okay over there? All right, hold on. Halfway there. All right. What is next, my love?
Then you do a layer of the marshmallow fluff
Ah.
or cream.
We're gonna, I was about to say fluff it up. We're gonna cream it up. This is looking good so far.
That's good.
I know you're judging me. Alright. Give you, the viewers, front row seat if I can set this up right. Alright. Get this thing open. Technical difficulties.
Jeez.
Alright, be right back. This is working fabulously. I am. Oh. I mean, I know marshmallows are sticky. I wasn't expecting this to be easy, but wow. Almost got it. Okay. Whew, that spatula is sticky. Alright, everyone, with the 3 layers set, have to come over here and make the top layer. Which, I do not believe I had a clip of it. But it was a little tricky to do. You saw how hard the, well, the marshmallow triggered me. Dough wasn't any easier making a bottom out of, but I got it. I'm gonna kind of press this out a bit. Hey, honey, do we have a roller? No? Okay, I'm hand pressing this now. Which is fine. If I can get it mostly kind of out. Recipe called for making little squares and send it in there, but I'm just gonna do it like this. Or at least try to anyway. Feeling this is not going to work. Yeah, not quite. Alright. It isn't perfection, but I hope it turns out okay. This is history in the making. Can you please tell everyone?
I thought you had more to what you were gonna say.
Well,
I just finished my first totally complete draft of my first ever book. And I've never finished a draft all the way through before, and I'm so excited.
oh my god, this is amazing.
Still very, very long way away from being anywhere near publishable, but this is
draft. It's a draft. It's a draft. We gotta celebrate. Good thing I made dessert.
I love you.
I love you more. I had to record this moment.
Ooh, it's very hot.
And we're back. And we should probably let these cool a little bit.
Oh.
Maybe.
Yeah, I used the forks. It just fell apart in my hand.
Yeah. These, I think they're meant to be like s'mores, but can't have some more if we haven't had any yet.
You're killing me, Swallow. I got like no chocolate on that bite.
Again, that one kind of fell apart.
It tastes like a chocolate cookie with ice cream.
Does it really?
Yeah. You know, like when you go places and you get one of those skillet chocolate chip cookies? I feel bad. We just make them watch us eat all the time.
You're gonna see us casually gain weight.
Okay, now I'm kind of getting s'mores flavor.
What's the verdict?
I'd rather have a real s'more.
I don't know, I think that tasted pretty good.
Oh, they're good. I would just rather have a real s'more.
Ah. You gotta have some more of this before you can have some more. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey guys, so it is the next morning. I totally forgot to finish out the vlog. I just got tired and fell deep into a Big Bang Theory marathon and we forgot we were filming. And I figure we've subjected you enough to our crazy cooking antics. We're gonna end the vlog here. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by, hopping into the comments, or if you hit the like button. We greatly appreciate that, and we greatly appreciate that you're all here. Also, if you want to join us for more adventures, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we'd love to have you along on this journey. And we can make a game out of how many times I just said But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.